Welcome today in front of me VIVO Y33S, and I'll show you how to turn off Google Assistant on this device. So first you should go to the Google folder and here launch the Google application. Now just go to the right down corner to the more icon, and here you'll see the settings. Now just tap here to the Google Assistant section and scroll down to the general options. Now just here to turn off the Google Assistant on your device, tap once on the switcher and confirm by tap to turn off. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.